Yeah. Out here trying to teach my nephew how to do some door hangers. Yeah, not about to waste time with that. Yeah, if they don't have a proper door handle or anything, then I don't put it on. This is really a bad neighborhood to be doing these in. Because it's looking like all the door handles are the same. Yeah, but it's just what we're doing today for a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Still passing out door hangers. There's some things we just, like if it's too hard to put the hanger on, we don't do it. If it has a no soliciting sign, we don't put them on. So this is a stack I got, door hangers. Pretty hefty stack, probably about 30 there. So and we're just walking around the neighborhood. And you see that unit? It's an older, it looks almost new, to tell you the truth. But when we see those, we definitely try to reach out. So, I'm not recording long here. I'm just do a couple and then stop the video and then go back. And definitely, if door hangers is something you want to do, don't ever hang them on the mailboxes. And don't ever, anywhere on the mailbox, no soliciting sign, I already went over that. And also don't walk through the grass. And just try to be as efficient as possible. And with efficiency, it doesn't mean hitting every house